Alrighty, here we go. You pumped?
Yeah.
Sorry, I was trying to... There we go, cool. Going in. Should I be filming horizontal or vertical? Oh, here comes horizontal. Alright, there we go.
So, on my way to make my license.
Wow.
Welcome everyone. I'm so sorry for how quickly I ushered you all in here, but we can never be too careful because first we landed here 2 weeks ago. We don't know who we can trust. But you've made it into the workshop. I know it's a little dark and dusty, but what do you think of our home? Oh, thank you. Where are my manners? Let me introduce us. This is Tyler. This is Eddie. Priscilla's in the corner, and so is him. My name is Tristan, and we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. Now as Gatherers, we travel to forgotten lands, forbidden star destroyers, and even all the way out to the outer rim, collecting bits of metal, relics, if you will. Scrap to everyone outside. But we may not look like much, but this is our home. This is everything to us, and we'd like to protect that. See, we believe that by protecting our past, we can ensure our future. Because we are in very troubling times. In troubling times, legends are born. Legends like Luke Skywalker. You've heard of him, yes? Well, now we have a new legend being born as we speak. Her name is Rey, and she is our spark of hope. And just like Luke and Rey, you have all answered the call sent forth by General Leia Organa. And that's why you're here. You're here for another reason. You're here to build this. The lightsaber. To build a lightsaber, it's an art. It has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and some of our darkest foes. It's beautiful and enigmatic. It is a reflection of its builder, as well as their connection to the Force. Absolute masterpiece of craftsmanship. But just as every story has its beginning, so too does the lightsaber. Ours begin with this, the Kyber crystal. The Kyber crystal is the heart of your lightsaber. It channels the Force and magnifies it to unimaginable powers. The color of the crystal dictates the color of the blade. We've gone through quite a lot to get these Kyber crystals for you. But I believe we'll start with this one. This is the blue Kyber crystal. It has been wielded by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his young apprentice, Anakin Skywalker, and Rey. Next, the green Kyber crystal. Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda, and Luke Skywalker. Next, we have the violet Kyber crystal, the most rare and beautiful Kyber crystal amongst the galaxy. It has been wielded by Master Mace Windu. And last but certainly not least, red. The Kyber crystal of power. Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader. And now, Kylo Ren. But, builders, these are the stories of our past. I believe you are all our future. I would like you all to now please close your eyes. I would like you to, close your eyes, I can see you. Picture your Kyber crystal. I would like you to feel which color feels right to you. I would like you to keep that close to your heart. And now, please, when you are ready, open your eyes. My fellow gatherers are coming around. Pick your Kyber crystal.
What'd you get? Green. Let's see. Nice.
Alright, builders. If you have not done so already, please place your crystals on the green plates in front of you. Now, we're going to be placing our kyber crystal. Me and my fellow gatherers are coming around now, placing in front of you the pieces of scrap you chose earlier. Now, these will make up the hilt of your lightsaber. Hilt is the foundation and control center of your lightsaber. Also, make sure that we don't singe off any of our fingers during the process. Now, I know this may look like a lot right now, but we will be going over each of these pieces together. Alright, I think we're ready. Smells good. Let's explore. Now, in our very first section, we have our chassis. This is where our kyber crystal will be calling home. Next to that, you have 4 grips. You'll be choosing 2 of them. In section 3, you have 2 emitters where your blade will emit from. Section 4, you have your pommel. And in section 5, you have your 2 sets of activation codes. Your on-off switch, if you will. But I think I've done enough talking. Builders, are we ready to build?
Yes.
I'm sorry, are we ready to build?
Yes.
Well, let's build.
Alright, builders, so first we're going to start with our chassis. Your kyber crystal is going to go
This is
into
our
the
chassis
build.
right here.
Now,
underneath these
in
windows,
this section, there is a springy piece at the top here that will help you put your kyber crystal inside. So I find the easiest way to do this is to take the larger end of your kyber crystal
like this,
and you push it up into the spring, and then you should be able to guide the other side in pretty easy.
like this once you have it inside.
Now
Damn,
it should
you got it.
light up and make a slight hum noise.
Please let me know if you
Now make sure if you're going to do that, you're lining up your dots. There's a red dot and a blue dot on the side of your chassis, and on the inside of those plates, there's a red and a blue dot. You want those dots to line up, otherwise it will close. Alright, so for the rest of you, we're going to start all the way at row 5 with your activation plates. So, on the side of your chassis, there's a red dot and a blue dot. And on the inside of your activation plate is a red or a blue dot. Now, you want these dots to line up exactly on top of each other, kind of like a puzzle. So, red on top of red and blue on top of blue.
on the inside, there is a red square as well as a blue square. Your chassis also has a red square and a blue square. You'll be placing red square on top of red square, blue square on top of blue square. They should snap together just like this.
Make sure you're lining up your squares, otherwise it won't close. You can't
If you would like to as well, once you have those on, you can hear this fire. It should make exactly noise. If it makes that zapping noise,
Make sure those are lining up. It should pop together very easily if your colors are on the right color.
Alright, once you have that on, in sections 1 and 6, there are 4 grids.
Hey, I think you're going a little bit faster than the. Interesting. I think you've kind of jumped the gun a little bit, my friend.
But you only make these line up.
Yeah. Here, well, let's see. I don't know.
I know there's a way to do it.
Yeah, maybe wait until we get there. You know what I mean? Was that which one was?
Tops, bottoms.
Oh, so you want?
the bottom.
Oh, all right. So let's see. So you're saying that if you screw it on a certain way, the actual, what does it mean to line up to you? Like, oh, I see.
Yeah.
Like that? Does that feel good?
Once you have that on, there's a red thing at the top, face that toward the sea.
And then you should like.
Alright, so
So it's not you. It's not you. I promise.
I thought.
You're like, I promise.
How do you know if it's working?
I feel like I promise I know what I'm
You
doing.
will be placing an emitter from section 3 on this opening right here at the top. Screwing it on.
Alright. So you're going to choose one of these two to go on the top and one of these two to go on the bottom for me.
So you're going to place the emitter.
All right. Are we expecting something to happen?
Once you have that emitter on, flip over the
don't know.
entire
Huh. Cool. It's very heavy. I'm surprised at how heavy it is.
In
Yeah.
section 4, you have
We should do an unboxing video.
right here.
Yeah, we can.
Screwing it on. And then once you have that done, you're all set. You're ready for the next one. Please place in front of you. If you are in just a moment, make sure everything is secure.
Regal AF.
Yeah, actually though, this like is actually just metal.
There we go.
It is metal.
Alright.
Yeah,
It's
heavy.
Solid. It is heavy. But well weighted.
Oh yeah, definitely. It's very. Oh, you can even see there's a little light in there. See that?
So this is going to be your activation switch.
Alright, so this is gonna be your activation switch when they call for activation. Good job.
Oh. What is? Huh.
Look at it.
Oh.
Alright, so this is gonna be your activation switch
Yeah.
when they call for activation.
Cool. You excited?
Yeah.
Cool.
How excited.
Oh.
She's hiding.
Had you already decided how you wanted it to look before we walked in? Oh, okay, I see. I was gonna say you went through that awfully quickly.
I know.
Gonna get some glamour shot of your lightsaber. Really cool. It's really cool.
I'm just
Just to be clear, it's canon that Ahsoka has 2 white lightsabers, and Rey's lightsaber isn't really hers. It's the Skywalker lightsaber. So it's
Right.
passed down 3 generations.
I see.
Just saying.
Just saying.
They are questions. If you'd like to line it up anymore, just give it a little bit of time and get back to your own personal workshop.
This is my favorite spot in the
Just give me your application.
I can sit here all day. We're sharing our favorite spot.
Now, these hilts all look very beautiful, but we have taken the most dangerous parts. We need you all to take a big step back and read this. Watch me. Okay, now. My fellow gatherers are coming around, placing your hilts in a crystal stabilization chamber. Now, like I said, this is the most dangerous step of all. Because we are not force sensitive, we need to rely on technology to help us make sure that everything is secure inside of your hilts. We do not want anything to be inverted, or we want to make sure that our crystals are unstable. If they're unstable when you activate, well, you've seen our seal. We get explosions. But I think we're doing just fine right now. Right? Okay? Perfect. This takes many years to become proficient, as well as become quite as well as facilities. Now, I believe we are ready to form the next step, which
With many parts you began. Yes. With the heart of the saber they are joined. Much more they will become. It's time.
Master Yoda. Builder, she's right. It's time. Time for us to form the bond between Builder and Saber. But just as we started this together, we will finish this together. In a moment, I will ask you to take one big step forward, and we will activate as one. Builders, are we ready? Yes. Please, take a step forward. Place your hands on your hips. Deep breath. Now, builders, please, activate your lightsabers. Raise your sabers high. Builders, you have just built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Go ahead. You're done.
Oh, that's the guy.
You look really cool with the lightsaber.
Now, please
I know I do, I
deactivate your lightsabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but light your way. It can. May the force be be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. And thank you, builders. Each one of you has crafted a lightsaber just as unique and extraordinary as all of you are. Now in your hands you hold remarkable power. Remarkable power shouldn't be dropped on the ground. So, to protect your new lightsaber, we are pleased to present you with a saber sheath as your department. Now, our time might be at an end, but your journeys are just beginning. Try to make your mark on the walls. And who knows, maybe next time we'll be telling every single one of your stories. But I wish you safe travels. And as we say here at Black Spire Outpost, till the spire!
Till the spire!
That was so sick. The part where you like pull it out. Let's see. It's how heavy is it?
It's really well weighted.
Wow, it actually is really well weighted. I'm impressed. You look all green because you're green because it's a green
I
lightsaber.
wish they'd speak for themselves.
Because they're like, we're not sensitive to the Force, but you're like, but I am.
No, when they say it takes.
Safe journeys, builders.
When they say I'm not an
Thank
expert
you.
duelist.
Are you an expert duelist?
Well, recently the World Fencing Organization recognizes lightsaber dueling as a form of fencing. I've been training for like over 12 years.
Well, I guess now we can see if you're actually been training for nothing, eh?
Well, and this isn't the first lightsaber I've built.
Really? Oh, well, the plastic ones, right? And the,
Also Ultra Sabers.
also Ultra Sabers. Anyway, bye.